Dear students, welcome to NRS YouTube channel. So in the previous class we discussed regarding MS Office 2010. So in the MS Office package we have different type of applications. The applications like MS Word, we have MS Excel, MS PowerPoint presentation, we have MS Outlook, we have MS Access 2010. So we have different type of modules or an applications comes under MS Office 2010. So today, dear students, will discuss regarding MS Excel. So in MS Excel especially will discuss regarding the spreadsheet. Okay, so spreadsheet is very important concept, especially in the field of the data manipulation. Okay, so the person or the computer operator who is that playing with the data information, or when you want to manipulate the data, so he can definitely use the spreadsheet application. So spreadsheet, what exactly it is? Spreadsheet application, that they have a lot of uses, and especially for the accountants. Okay, so the spreadsheet comes in Microsoft Excel 2010. So this is just one software. In that, if all the MS Office 2010 suite of software is installed, okay, so whenever you install MS Office 2010, so you will get the MS Excel application. So in that MS Excel is nothing but a spreadsheet application. Okay, so in the spreadsheet application we have again different kinds of spreadsheet applications. Okay, so now today we'll discuss about MS Excel and how to open the MS Excel, how to create the worksheet, what exactly is a sheet and what is the spreadsheet. So we'll discuss today. So all of you look at the screen. So now here I'm going to open MS Excel 2010. So you need to click on Start button and then click on All Programs. So whenever you click on all programs, you need to search for MS Office, that is Microsoft Office, right? So the Microsoft Office will become whenever you install your software in your system. Okay, so click over there and then you can search for MS Excel, that is Microsoft Excel 2010. So here I have MS Excel 2010 and click on MS Excel. Yes, so you need to click on close it, right? So here this is the interface of MS Excel or a spreadsheet. Okay, so especially the spreadsheet is made up of number of columns and number of rows, number of columns and number of rows. So in the number of columns, number of rows, so it helps to the accountant or person or computer operator to organize the data information in a systematic way, right? Isn't it? So why we should make the data information in a systematic way? Why? Because whenever you want to restore them, or whenever you want to get the data information, right? Suppose you have hundreds of or thousands of students data in your spreadsheet or in Excel sheet. In that, if you want to retrieve a particular person or particular student data information, so in that condition, that organizing of a data will be very helpful, right? Otherwise you will get difficulty to find out the data information of a particular student. So that is the main reason to organize our data information in a systematic manner. Okay, so here, as I already told you, that the spreadsheet, this is complete, we call it as a spreadsheet. This is complete a spreadsheet. So in the spreadsheet is usually made up of number of rows and number of columns. Well, so in that, so you can observe the screen, students, the number of columns. This is one column, second column, third column, fourth column, fifth column. So here we have so many columns. We have the columns are named by alphabets, right? So here we have alphabet A, second column is B, C, right? So each and every column in a spreadsheet is named by the alphabets, right? Okay, So next is come to the rows. So these are the number of rows we have. So the rows are named by the numbers, right? So first row is row 1, second row is row 2, row 3, 4, 5, right? So it means in a spreadsheet the columns are named by alphabets and rows are named by numbers. Okay, right? So how many columns we have in a spreadsheet, right? How many columns we have in a spreadsheet, and what is the name of the last column, right? So this is my first column A, it like that, which is the last column name. Okay, so the last column name is, that is xfd. Okay, so this is the last column name. Okay, so then the first row is row 1, row 2, row 3 we have. So what is the last row number, right? So like 1 2 3 4, what is the last row number? So that is, the last row number is 10,48,576 rows we have in a spreadsheet, in a sheet. Okay, right? And dear students, you can observe here, we have sheet 1, sheet 2. Look at the pointer, look at the cursor, all of you please. So this is sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. What exactly the sheet 1 is? So whenever you open MS Excel, by default you will get 3 sheets. It is just like a pages what you will work with the Microsoft Microsoft Word document. So there we have the pages we have. Here we have a sheets, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, right? So by default you will get 3 sheets. Whenever you open MS Excel, by default you will get 3 sheets. Suppose if you want to insert one more sheet, right? So I need 4th sheet. So how can we insert? So here we have one option. Okay, so insert worksheet, right? So just click over in this option, automatically you will get the sheet number 4. If you want one more, just click on this icon, you will get sheet number 5, right? So this is how you can insert the sheets. How much sheet you want, you can insert it, right? And next we have, that is same as usual, right? So if you want to organize, or if you want to make a list of students who is studying in the 10th standard, right? So you can make a list, right? So how will you make the list? So before that I will tell you that, so just you can observe the screen, students. So whenever I click, I will get a box, a rectangle box I will get, right? So what exactly it is, what exactly it is? So this portion we call it as a cell. Okay, look at the screen, that black bordered, the rectangle we call it as a cell. Okay, so then what is the definition of cell? What exactly cell is? The cell is an interconnection or a intersection of a row and column. Okay, so what is cell? Cell is a intersection of row or column, row and column. Okay, so when a column and a row intersect each other, we'll get cell. Okay, we'll get a cell. So the data information, whatever it is, the each and every data information has to be filled in a cell. We have to type it in a cell. Okay, so this is called cell definition. And next, so suppose if you want to insert a data information in a cell, you have to make it as an active cell, right? So you can observe here. Okay, so this is an active cell. Right now what I have clicked, this is an active cell. Okay, so remaining they are not in an active. It means if you want to enter the data information in a cell, you have to make that cell as an active. Then how to make an active, how to make a non-active cell into the active cell? Very simple, just click on particular cell where you want to enter the data information. So right now this is the active cell. I don't want this one, I want to enter the data information in the first cell here. So then you can click on that particular cell, it become an active. Now you can go with the, just I will make the zoom, yeah, right. So this is an active cell, active cell, active cell, active cell, right. So why I'm particularly I'm telling this active cell means, when you are editing the values, so you will come to know the importance of active cell, otherwise you will not able to edit the value, right. So if you want to suppose, if you want to enter the data information, you need to uh, make it as an active cell, right. So after making active cell, now you can type, right. So this is an active cell and I have entered the value. Suppose if you want to enter the same NIRS text in this cell, right, right, what is the first step? You need to make it as an active, right. Unless if you doesn't make it an active, the data information will not be entered. Okay, keep it in your mind, right. So this is active cell, regarding active cell. Okay, so after that, to enter the data information also, you have to make that cell as an active cell, and also if you want to make some changes in that cell, again you have to make it as an active cell, otherwise it will not change. Okay, suppose this one I will make active, and now instead of NIRS I want to enter Nandi. So how can you make it Nandi without making that active cell? How it is possible? No. So you need to make it as an active, even if you want to change the values of a cell, right. So now I will make it active, and instead of NIRS I will type Nandi, right. So dear students, this is regarding uh, a spreadsheet application. So next class will discuss regarding how to make copy and paste in a spreadsheet, and also we'll discuss regarding filter and sorting techniques comes in MS Excel. Okay, so thank you.